Alright, this is a video tutorial for Philip. I'm gonna show you how to play through the USB hard disk your games. Alright, so what you're gonna have your Xbox, alright, on with the Freestyle Dash 3. Now, what you're gonna do, it's take your USB hard drive, the one like this one, plug it in front like I told you. One second. Okay, so you see I have the USB plugged on the USB port of the Xbox. Alright, now you have to wait a few seconds, probably from 10 to 50 seconds. What's happening, the Xbox is scanning the ports. Once that's done, you go to file browser. Oh, it's not done yet, it's not ready yet, you gotta wait a little bit longer. You're gonna hear, okay, when you see this message, detected storage device change, refreshing mounted drivers. Okay, now you're ready to play your games. Okay, you go to, there are different ways to play your games. First of all, the easiest way, it's to press the middle button here on the controller. Okay, you press this and you have this window. You go to file browser, press A. Now you're gonna see the USB 0. Select it. You're gonna see now the list of all the games available on your USB hard drive. To play a game, simply, most of the time, it's gonna be pretty straightforward. You just enter the folder, like for example, let's try Dead Space, alright? You enter the folder and you look for the default.xex file. Okay, this is the file that you have to run in order to start the game. Again, select this will exit your currency app. Press select yes. And now you have the game. Same thing to change, to switch between games. Basically, press against the home button. Again, file browser, USB, select the game you want to play. Let's try, I don't know, Batman, Arkham City. Now you're gonna have sometimes two DVDs, okay? Most of the time in this case you will have to use the second DVD, the content, this is the content file, and copy this to your hard drive. I already did this in this case. If you have any questions how to install some games, let me know. There is a website, I'm gonna give you the link to it, and you can check how to install properly each game with multiple DVDs, like Battlefield 4, GT5, and other games. So in this case, I already installed this game. You can just go to this DVD number 1 and run it. Default.xex again. And it should start soon. Yep, here you go. Another way to run the games, you can use the exex menu. So go to System. In my case, it's this one, Title Launcher exex. Yes. No. Okay. Okay. All right. As you see here, I have a crisis and xex menu 1.2. Enter the menu. Alright, so what you have now, it's the same thing like before, but basically it's another way to run your games, you know. It's the same concept. You enter the folder, okay, and you look for default.xex. Again, select it, run it. And the game is running. So this is the second way to do it, to run a game. The other way will be through the cover selection. I'll show it to you right now. So again, press the middle button, the home button. Look for, actually we have to go to freestyle home, okay? Yes. You have to wait for the freestyle dash to load. If you have this kind of message, just select try to continue. Alright, now you got to make sure two things. If you want to have this kind of a selection, like going to Xbox 360 games and see this kind of menu with all the titles, you have to make sure first that go on setup, settings, and content settings, scan settings, manage game path. Okay, you gotta create the right game path. As you see here, I already created, I selected the USB as a game path. If you don't have a USB, go to change path, okay, and select which folder you want to use or you want to scan for your games. In this case, I want to use the USB. Just press A, action, select it, and no, actually no, go